This 2022 Coleman 1805 RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coleman is 21 feet 11 inches in length and features slide-out, self-contained, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, oven, LP detector, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, water heater. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features couples coach, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Coleman 1805 RB is 4,440 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.